Want to speak real Turkish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at turkishclass101.com.
Herkese merhaba, ben Seda. Hi everybody, my name is Seda and welcome to turkishclass101.com. Hepiniz hoş geldiniz. Nasılsınız? How are you guys? In this video, let's talk about let us, that structure, okay? In Turkish we call it istek gibi. Hadi, let's. This is a very brief subject, so I will break it down according to the pronouns. So what do I mean? I mean we will learn in these categories, okay? Let me, let him or her, as you know, there is no difference in Turkish. Let us, let's, and let them. And I will also give you the negative versions and the question versions. So let's start with the first one, okay? Let me. What is the formula? So we have the stem verb of a stem of a verb, and we added ayım or ayım according to the vowel harmony rules. For example, görmek, to see. Görmek, it becomes göreyim. Let me see. Göreyim. Göreyim. Okay? Sevmek, for example, to love. So we take the mek part, seveyim. Seveyim. Let me love. Seveyim. Seveyim. Kalmak. So we take the mak part out to stay. Kalayım. Kalayım. Let me stay. Kalayım. It's ayım because of the vowel harmony rules. Not ayım but ayım. Kalayım. Satın almak. To buy. Okay? We take the mak part out. Satın alayım. Let me buy. Satın alayım. Satın alayım. If I say it really fast, satın alayım. It sounds like that. Satın alayım. As you can see, you add the suffix ayım or ayım according to the vowel harmony rules. Okay, how do we make this a question? It is very simple. We just add mı or me according to again vowel harmony rules at the end. For example, göreyim becomes göreyim mi? So we translate this as if shall I see? Okay? Göreyim mi? Göreyim mi? Or seveyim mi? Shall I love? It's not exact translation, but seveyim mi? Seveyim mi? Kalayım mı? Shall I stay? Kalayım mı? Kalayım mı? And the last one, the negative form. How do we do it? We add extra me or ma as a suffix after the word stem. For example, if our verb is görmek, we add extra me. Görmeyeyim. Okay? Don't let me see. Görmeyeyim. It may be confusing with a lot of yeyim, but if it's sevmek, sevmeyeyim. Don't let me love. Sevmeyeyim. Sevmeyeyim. Okay? For example, if it's kalmak, this time we add ma. Kalmayayım. Kalmayayım. Don't let me stay. Kalmayayım. If it is satın almak, to buy, satın almayayım. Satın almayayım. Don't let me buy. Okay? Now let's continue with the other forms, with the other pronouns. Let's see, let him, her. There's no difference with him, her in Turkish. So the formula is verb stem plus suffix sın, sin, according to the vowel harmony rules. I will give examples with negatives and questions forms as well. The rules I just explained for negatives and questions apply to the rest of them, okay? So there's no new rule. This is the general rule. So we have görmek and görsün. So let him or her see. Görsün. Görsün mü? As a question. Should he, she see? Görsün mü? Görsün mü? So if you make it negative, görmesin. Görmesin. Don't let him see or her see. Görmesin. I will just use her, okay? Görmesin. Sevmek. To love. Sevsin. Let her love. Sevsin. Sevsin. Or if it's a question, sevsin mi? Should she love? Something like that. Sevsin mi? And the negative, sevmesin. Don't let her love or don't let him love. Sevmesin. Sevmesin. To stay, kalmak. Kalsın. Let him stay. Kalsın. Kalsın. Kalsın mı? Should he stay? Kalsın mı? Kalsın mı? Kalmasın. Don't let him stay. Kalmasın. 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 Yeah, that was it for let him, her. Okay, with him or her. Let's look at let's. Let us. Okay, let us. Let's. So we have our verb stem again. Then we add lim, lum. Or sometimes I don't say it because this is according to vowel harmony rules. Lum, lum. Okay, you have to learn the vowel harmony rules before anything. So it is görmek. Görelim. Let us see. Let's see. Görelim. Görelim. Or if it's a question, görelim mi? Should we see? Shall we see? Görelim mi? Görmeyelim. Don't let us see. Görmeyelim. Görmeyelim. Sevelim. To love. Sevmek. Let us love. Sevelim. Sevelim. Sevelim mi? Shall we see? Shall we love? Sevelim mi? Sevelim mi? Sevmeyelim. Don't let us love. Sevmeyelim. Sevmeyelim. When I say it fast, sevmeyelim. It's like not sevmeyelim, but this is only when speaking, okay? Kalalım. Let's stay. Kalalım. Kalalım. Kalmayalım. Let's not stay. Or don't let us stay. Kalmayalım. Kalalım mı? Shall we stay? Kalalım mı? Kalalım mı? Okay, so we are also done with this. As you can see, the rules are almost the same, just the suffixes are different. So let's move on to the last one. Last but not least, let them. Okay, let them. Again, we have our verb stem. And then we add the suffix sinler, sınlar. This is very similar to let her, let him. We just add larlar, the plural suffix. So you will find it similar. Let's see the example so you understand better. Görsünler, let them see. Görsünler. Görsün was let him or let her see. Görsünler, let them see. Okay? Görsünler mi? Görsünler mi? Shall they see? Should they see? Görsünler mi? Görmesinler. Don't let them see. Görmesinler. Görmesinler. Sevsinler. Sevsinler. That's a different story. We use it a little bit differently. Let them love. Sevsinler. Sevsinler. Sevsinler mi? Should they love? Shall they love? Sevsinler mi? Sevmesinler. Let them not love. Don't let them not love. Something like that. Sevmesinler. The translations are not exact. I have to say it again. Kalsınlar. Let them stay. Kalsınlar. Kalsınlar. Kalmasınlar. Don't let them stay. Kalmasınlar. Kalmasınlar. Kalsınlar mı? Should they stay? Kalsınlar mı? Kalsınlar mı? I don't know. Okay, guys, this is it. There's not much to say. The English versions are not exactly the same. Especially the positive ones are the same, but the negative and question ones are not the same. I use the same verbs so you can understand the differences in conjugations. So I don't want to make your mind go crazy over the conjugations. You can make more examples, and you should actually. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you have questions, leave them below and use the comment section to practice together. And with these kind of grammar things, since you cannot exactly translate the sentences because we use them in different contexts, in different languages. So listening to the native person speaking or watching a movie and catching the phrases in a context it will make you understand the context better because I'm giving you examples out of the context, so I have to put an exact translation next to it. But as I said, there's not an exact translation. These translations are almost a translation. Let me put it that way. So that's it for me. I will see you next time. Görüşürüz. Güle güle.
First lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.